Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make the black cat. I want you to get a regular piece of paper, fold it in half. Okay, the part that you open, okay, the part that you can open, not the closed part. I want you to have that, okay? And what you're going to do with it is you are going to cut it, not all the way around, just like that, okay? So we have this like this, all right? So that's going to be the body of the cat. Now, you're going to fold each piece just like that, okay? So, make sure they're not up, because they're going to be like the feet. So if they stay up, they're not going to work. Move this back a little bit. It'll be like this, and then you can put it down. So then what you're going to do is you are going to color it all black. All right, I'm going to do it really quick like usual. You guys are not. You're going to do it the proper way, okay? Miss McNeil did it so fast. All right, so then what you're going to do is you are going to fold another piece of paper. And this time, you're not going to fold, you're going to fold cut at the part where it's closed, okay? Sorry. Just like that. That's going to be the head. Again, you're going to color that black, and you're going to tape it on like this, okay? You tape it like this. But first, what you need to do is you need to make, color this all black, okay? Both sides, black, black. And then you're going to get this piece here. And you're going to do ear and an ear. I'm trying to figure out where I put my tape. Ear and ear. Where is my tape? All right, hold on 1 second. Okay, so then you are going to tape the head on, okay? Tape it both sides. That. Like that. You're going to color the ears, okay? And then you're going to, after you color the ears, you'll tape them on as well. Remember, I'm not going to color it, only because it's not about mine, it's about yours. Tape that ear on. And I tape that ear on. And then you are going to, you could cut out eyes or you could just draw eyes if you want. I'm going to draw. So let's see. Okay, my 2 eyes here. I'm going to cut them out. And then you can also draw, cut out another triangle and color it pink for the nose. And then you're going to make the tail, okay? Cutting around my eyes. And I'm going to tape my eyes on. One eye, 2 eyes, and then like I said, you get the nose, got a little triangle, you can make it pink, and you're going to make the triangle upside down when you tape it on, And then you can make your tail look any way you want. Okay, and then you're going to take another piece and you're going to color it black. I'm not coloring mine black right now. And then I'm going to tape tail on. And bam, I have my black hat that they're going to see. Okay? Awesome, right? Have fun.